Do you remember Superintendent Novlett Robyn Williams from the Metropolitan Police? We reported on her back in 2020 when she was accused of failing to report a video of child abuse that she was sent by her sister and not acting after receiving the video. Remember, being a cop means that you have to turn in your granny if she smokes a bit of weed for pain relief. The video was said to have been unsolicited and sent in February 2018 from her sister, who apparently wanted the paedophile hunted down. The Metropolitan Black Police Association said that her targeting was an example of institutional racism at the time, but that didn't stop Williams from being dismissed from the force after she was convicted of possession of child abuse video, bearing in mind that all she got in punishment was some unpaid work, and he's said to have been put on the sex offenders register. After a tribunal regarding her dismissal, Williams actually won her job back with the Metropolitan Police. However, it now appears that Superintendent Novlett Robyn Williams of the Metropolitan Police, who was apparently still on the sex offenders register, which means that she was a high-ranking plod with a sex offender registration requirement, even though she won her job back, is now in the shit once again. On June the 16th, my birthday, she will appear at Westminster Magistrates Court to face allegations of breaching her sexual offence notification requirements and faces 5 offences under the Sexual Offences Act 2022, including failing to notify Scotland Yard of required details of overseas travel and financial details between 2019 and 2022. Now, could this be someone who thought since they got their job back they didn't have to adhere to the rules or the requirements? Or could this just be another ranking plod simply thinks the rules don't apply to them? Nick Price of the CPS said we had authorised charges for 5 offences relating to breaches of notification requirements. The charges follow an investigation by officers at the Metropolitan Police Central West Command Unit that began in 2022. The Crown Prosecution Service reminds all concerned that criminal proceedings against Superintendent Williams are active and that she has a right to a fair trial. Obviously, we don't know the full ins and outs of this or these breaches, but they appear to be clear-cut breaches which, obviously, if it was a member of the public, would, or at least should, be treated with extreme seriousness. But we will have to wait and see just how serious these breaches are taken against a black police superintendent, based on the fact that whatever happens, it will probably still be classed as racist. And of course, no organisation likes to be called racist now, do they?